Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Koma Inu token. Now the Koma Inu token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, November 17th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token listed on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, BSC Scan, all over the place. And it was just announced on Twitter that this token will be listed tomorrow, November 17th at exactly 11 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search KOMA, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So there's 18 decimal places on this token. Right now, token price is about 6 cents per token. They have 20,456 holders and a max total supply of 1 billion Koma tokens. Now, their Telegram, if you want to follow that, is at Koma BNB. Now, they have 3,502 subscribers on the Telegram. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion regarding this project, ask questions, learn more from the community, and see updates like new partnerships, token listing announcements, and of course memes. And same with their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual, which is at Koma BNB. You can see on the Twitter there, they have a gold verified check mark, almost 600 tweets, 13,000 Twitter followers, and they just joined in September 2024. They have a link to their Telegram and a link to their webpage right there as well, komabnb.com. Now, Koma Inu, son of Shib and protector of Binance Smart Chain, is a dog-themed token built around the community-driven decentralization and adoption. Powered by pure meme energy, Koma is created for the community. The cats have had their time. Now it's the dog's turn to lead and make Binance Smart Chain meme coins great again. On their webpage, they have a link to DEX Tools, DEX Screener, CoinMarketCap, TikTok, the contract address, Instagram, Twitter, and Telegram. They even have a buy now button. So what makes them unique here? Number one, a successful team. Our team has a proven track record with meme tokens. Since the last bull run, we have successfully had multiple $100 million plus projects. Safety. We also provide the highest levels of security, making sure funds are safe. And liquidity locked. All tokens in LP will be locked in phases. Our contract will be renounced once the contract tax on transactions is completed. And holder rewards. We believe in rewarding holders, which is why our staking pool will have an incentivized annual percentage yield. Now, the tokenomics here, how the token is split up. Like I said, 1 billion tokens total supply. 28% goes to pre-launch allocation. 20% goes to the staking pool, 12% goes to marketing, 10% to the liquidity pool, 5% at launch. And then we got 10% going to top memes airdrop, 10% market making and centralized exchanges like Mexc Global, 5% charity, and 5% team. Now, phase 1 of the roadmap is going to be the building community organically phase with the Zeely contest and whitelist pre-sale. So this token did have a pre-sale. Then launch the pre-sale. Then launch on Pancakeswap. Now, before we move forward, if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, you can get it off of Pancakeswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with BNB, with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BNB for the Koma token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, komabnb.com. Now, after the launch on Pancakeswap, they have partnerships with Tier 3 marketers, get listed on Tier 3 exchanges, and reach $5 million market cap. And they are way past that now, and we could talk about their market cap in a second. Phase 2 of the roadmap is the community building phase with partnerships and Tier 2 marketers, get listed on Tier 2 exchanges, and $20 million market cap. Phase 3, more partnerships, get listed on Binance, and $100 million market cap. Now, they have all sorts of different stickers on their webpage that you could use if you are a community member with socials, and you could install the stickers on your mobile, I guess, and shill them out that way. There's frequently asked questions like, what's the token address? What is the tax? It says 5% taxes until we get listed on a Tier 1 exchange, then we'll be turned off to 0. So I'm not sure whether it's 5 or 0 right now, but you may have to set slippage if you use Pancakeswap. How much liquidity locked at launch? It says 100%, and where to buy Pancakeswap, and then as of tomorrow, Mexc Global. Now, lastly, their market cap right now is $45.2 million. Doing very well, this token. They're up 43.3% today. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $2.9 million. And they have $1.9 million worth of liquidity in Pancakeswap. Now, this token is actually trending number 2 right now on Deck Screener in the Binance Smart Chain section. Very popular project. And token price is about 5.7 cents per token right now. This token came out 1 month, 10 days ago. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about the Koma Inu token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.